Is it on?
Go.
Alright, it's step number 1 of the startup. Smoke.
Yeah, tie off the headers. Turn it off.
One more. One more. Alright, now that the car runs, I'm going to want to put my coil packs on from MSD and my spark plugs from Autolite HTO spark plugs. You always want to put anti-seize on them. And all you need to do is a 7mm socket to get the coil pack off, and obviously undo the wires. They just pop off, and I'll be back in a minute. See, it doesn't take long at all. Done in a second. No, not really, but still wasn't actually that bad. It's just spark plugs and coil packs. They're all 4 there and all 4 here. Now let's start it.